Why content creators are going broke and why you will never be successful on YouTube, right? So what's up, y'all? So vlogging today. Of course, it's a wonderful Monday morning. I'm actually finna get ready to go to the gym. I wanted to touch on something very, very touching that I've been seeing, trending. And I've kind of been seeing it ever since, the post-pandemic, is that when it comes to content creators, a lot of them are going broke, whether it's, the crypto influencers, the people who are being paid to promote things like the Forex, MLM scams, this, that, and the third. A lot of those people are going dead broke right now. Why? Because those people did not take the time out to build sustainable businesses that actually have use post the hype era, right? So another thing I want to touch on is like how a lot of these platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, they're starting to demonetize a lot of content. So when it comes to YouTube nowadays, you can't even cuss within the first 30 seconds of the video, or they'll demonetize your video. With TikTok has never been paying pretty much good. A lot of people who make money on TikTok are making money from sponsorship deals. But just based off my research, a lot of people are not really building sustainable businesses unless, like, you're the lucky ones like Mr. Beast, the real estate trapper, or people who actually put in the work to actually build sustainable businesses to actually be a successful content creator. Because when it comes to content creation, it's not only just about creating the content, it's also about putting in the work, making sure your thumbnail looks good, making sure you got your tags in so people can actually find the video, make sure you popping up in the algorithm, investing in quality camera equipment, investing in soundboards, microphones, this, that, and the third. And a lot of people are not really willing to do that. The fact of the matter is that a lot of content creators are actually lazy. And that's why, a lot of them tend to fall off. Or a lot of them tend to, a lot of them are so desperate and in need for money that they tend to sign up and promote and get paid for things that don't necessarily work. Like right now, what I'm starting to see is a lot of those people who were on YouTube during the 2020 pandemic wave promoting, the whole crypto this, crypto that, crypto this, crypto that. A lot of those crypto companies that people were promoting are bankrupt now, and they are also been accused, various frauds, all type of things. But I say that to say is like, when you're getting into the whole content creation business, for one, you got to be consistent, but you also got to do your due diligence when it comes to, accepting sponsorships or, doing partnerships with people and stuff like that. Just like any other business, content creation is a hands-on business, so you have to be hands-on. I don't know if you guys have been noticing for the past like week or so, I've been dropping bangers left or right, whether it's reels or long form videos like this. And I've been doing like on the reels, I'm not doing nothing less than 1,000 views the first day. These, it's long term, it's kind of, a little bit slower, but we on the way. But we staying consistent, the content's getting better, the thumbnails getting better, this, that, and the third. But I say that to say, so if you're a content creator and you're actually watching this, make sure that you're actually building a sustainable business. So, say, your niche is real estate. Say your niche is finance. Say your niche is whatever. Make sure you have links to your website in your description. So, once people get finished watching your video, they'll be able to purchase products from you, or maybe purchase a course from you, purchase your ebook for you. You got to be like very creative. And like YouTube, TikTok, any form of content creation or any content creation business is very, very specific. It's very, very specific on how you're going to be successful in that niche. One of my goals this year is by December 31st of 2023, my YouTube channel will be monetized. And the way it's looking, I'm gaining like at least 100 subscribers per month. I'm probably finna double that because I'm actually finna flood y'all with a lot more content. But yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys think about, you know, content creators. A lot of content creators are going broke for various reasons. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys like this vlog. We got new content on the way. By the time y'all watching this, I don't think the podcast have dropped yet. I got 2 fire podcasts on the way. I'm actually gonna record a podcast tomorrow with a real comedian, real funny guy. So yeah, and we got an LA vlog on the way too. I hope you guys like the Miami vlog.